Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for birth number 9. That means if you're born on the 9th, 18th or 27th of any month, it doesn't matter. This is the reading for the month of August for you all. Let's see from Whispers of Lord Ganesha deck, what is the message or the guidance card that we have for you for the month of August. The first card that I have for you is number 45. Prosperity. And if you add these two numbers together, again you are getting a number 9, which is start of something new. uh, whether you guys want it or not, there is definitely something new that is going to start in your life, something new that you have never done before. It could be in all aspects of your life. It could be related to your job, it could be related to your personal life, but definitely something new is going to start, and that something is going to bring you a lot of prosperity. So if you're hoping for money, well, I do see money coming towards you. um, as a remedy, when I look at this card, and the message that I'm getting is donation of pomegranate or donation of anything which is red in color or fruits is going to bring you a lot more luck and is going to improve your chances of success in whatever new adventure that you are about to start. The first card from tarot that I have for you is Fool. Again, this is another card which is basically confirming that definitely something new is starting, something new is about to start in your life, and it is something that you've never done before. It could be something that you've been planning to do but never got to do it, but it's definitely happening. Five of Swords. This is a card, to me, it depicts legal paperwork. So some kind of legality would be involved. Some kind of dealing with some kind of paperwork, or having an argument with somebody, or a lot of thinking would be involved. And this card also tells me that you are evaluating the pros and cons of a situation. Be mindful of how you communicate with others, because some people that you may have to communicate it might end up turning into your business partners in the future, so be aware of that. The next card that I have for you is the King of Wands. See, again, lot of fire energy. This is also a card of fire. All, like, out of these, again, King of Wands, very strong energy of fire. Definitely you have the passion, you have the energy, you have the enthusiasm of getting things done, and that is amazing. The next card that I have for you is the Five of Cups. Now, why Five of Cups is coming as this card, which looks a little sad, and one of the reason is because you're going to be too focused on starting this something new that you'll feel like you have not been able to pay attention to all the other things. Now, that is one thing. The other thing that I'm seeing for you guys is, when I see the Five of Cups, is that you're not looking at the bigger opportunities, like, because you have to make lists, right? You have to evaluate your options, and that is two number fives in one reading. That means the energy of Mercury, energy of communication, energy of taking initiatives and bonding with your siblings is very, very important for you guys. The next card that I have is the Page of Swords. Definitely something new is about to happen. Some good news is coming your way, and you are enthusiastic and you are ready to, learn from your experience and get into it. I have the Two of Pentacles. There could be differences in cash inflow and cash outflow. Maybe because you are changing something new, you are spending more than you are making at this point of time. Now you have to understand that because you're starting something new, what happens when you start something new is you are alone. You don't have a lot of people supporting you, and a lot of things that you have to do are on your own. You have to be the one making decisions, you have to be the one evaluating things. And Two of Pentacles would tell me that there is uneven cash balance in your account. Could be because you're spending a lot more than you are making at the moment. And then I have the Ten of Swords. So don't be afraid of this card. All this is telling me is that you have you are going to have this energy where you're going to be able to look at how the future would be like. But this card depicts stress, and in your case it kind of goes with the reading, because when you start something new, you are obviously stressed about the whole thing, because you're not sure if this is something I should do or not. Many of you may even start looking for newer opportunities when it comes to your work. Like, you want something new, you want to do something new. Then I have the Temperance card, which to me suggests the Sagittarius card. It's a card of maintaining balance and Libra energy. So the card of maintaining balance, the card of understanding that the growth comes from within, that you really have to be in the moment to evaluate the moment moving forward. Only then there are chances of success. So if possible, try to meditate next to water so that you are able to get some idea about it. Now, I'm going to be honest, the next 10 months are going to see a good amount of stress related to work or related to whatever it is you are starting. By November, things like by November, you'll start seeing things move in a more systematic, in a more balanced way. The next 5 months are going to be, there's going to be a lot of confusion as to whatever you have done is right or wrong. So at least the next 10 months, I'm seeing stress and, a lot of ups and downs. But these are not bad. These are good because you're starting something new. See, that's what's the energy we need to focus on. And then we have the Four of Pentacles. So somebody is busy building an empire, but because they are going to have some kind of expenses here, so you might try to kind of over save, and this over saving may turn out to be something that will not sit well with a lot of people. Now, ignore the horns and the sound behind me, but this card is also telling me that if you are in a relationship, you're starting a new relationship, and you try to hold on to your partner a little long, there could be some kind of repercussions. So try not to do that. A lot of you, there may also be chances of getting a baby, and if you're planning to get one, well, there are good chances that you may have a baby, or you may get a news that things have moved on, and whatever treatment you are taking is going to happen, but I do see some kind of medical procedure is going to be part of it. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Eight of Swords. Again, number 8, it talks about patience, it talks about delays, it talks about that you have to have faith, and you have to get out of your comfort zone. Only then you are going to get, or you're going to hit the mark of achieving whatever that you are meant to achieve, and coming into this energy of prosperity. Do let me know if this reading resonates, or if parts of this reading resonates, and I will see you guys next time.